Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and inspiring story of Dyson, a company that has revolutionized the world of household appliances with its innovative technology and design. From humble beginnings to global success, Dyson's journey is a testament to perseverance, ingenuity, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Our story begins in the 1970s with a man named James Dyson. Born in Cromer, Norfolk, England, in 1947, James grew up with a keen interest in engineering and design. He studied at the Byam Shaw School of Art and later at the Royal College of Art, where he developed his design skills. However, it was during his time at the Royal College of Art that he first began to merge his artistic talent with engineering. One day, while working on his farm, James noticed that the wheelbarrow he was using kept getting stuck in the mud. This observation led to his first major invention, the ball barrow. The ball barrow used a large ball instead of a wheel, which distributed the weight more evenly and prevented it from sinking into soft ground. This innovative design won the Building Design Innovation Award in 1977, marking the beginning of James's journey into the world of inventing. But James Dyson's journey to success was anything but easy. In the late 1970s, he grew frustrated with his vacuum cleaner, which lost suction due to clogged dust bags. Determined to find a solution, he set out to create a bagless vacuum cleaner that would maintain constant suction. Inspired by the industrial cyclones used in sawmills to remove dust from the air, James believed that this technology could be miniaturized for household use. However, this was easier said than done. Over the course of 5 long years, he created 5,127 prototypes before finally developing a working model of the world's first bagless vacuum cleaner, the G-Force. However, bringing this innovation to market was another uphill battle. Dyson faced numerous rejections from major appliance manufacturers who were reluctant to change their existing product lines and business models. These companies made significant profits from selling vacuum cleaner bags, and a bagless vacuum was seen as a threat to their business. Undeterred, James Dyson decided to take matters into his own hands. In 1993, he established Dyson Limited and set up his own manufacturing facility in Wiltshire, England. It was a bold move that required immense determination and self-belief. Despite facing financial difficulties and skepticism from critics, James persisted. The breakthrough came with the launch of the DC-01, Dyson's first dual cyclone vacuum cleaner, in 1993. It was an instant success in the UK, and Dyson's reputation for innovation began to grow. The company continued to develop new technologies and expand its product range, including bladeless fans, hand dryers, and hair dryers, all featuring the same core principles of innovation and design excellence. Fast forward to today, Dyson is a global technology powerhouse, known for its cutting-edge products and engineering marvels. With over 14,000 employees worldwide, Dyson has expanded its reach to over 70 countries. The company's focus on research and development is evident, with more than £7 billion invested in new technologies and products. In recent years, Dyson has ventured into electric vehicle development and solid-state battery technology, showcasing their commitment to sustainability and the future of engineering. Although the company decided to halt its electric car project in 2019 due to financial constraints, the advancements made in battery technology continue to influence their other products. James Dyson's personal life is just as inspiring as his professional journey. Married to Deirdre Hindmarsh since 1968, he is a father to 3 children. His persistence and innovative spirit are qualities he has passed down to his family. Despite his immense success, James Dyson has faced his share of challenges. From financial struggles and numerous rejections to the difficulties of starting and running a manufacturing business, his journey is a testament to the power of resilience and determination. James has also been a passionate advocate for education and innovation. Through the James Dyson Foundation, he has contributed millions to support engineering education and encourage young inventors. The foundation's work includes scholarships, grants, and educational programs aimed at fostering a new generation of engineers and designers. The story of Dyson and James Dyson is a powerful reminder that innovation and success often come after overcoming significant obstacles. It's about having a vision, believing in your ideas, and never giving up, no matter how many times you might fail. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Dyson. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories of innovation and success. Until next time, keep dreaming big and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.